Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a responsive navbar using by HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I try to understand easy way how you can do that project easily step by step, and I using this project only vanilla CSS and vanilla JavaScript. So let's get started. So first step, we open this folder with the VS Code by open folder, index.html, and I need style.css. Create a boilerplate and you can open with this live server. So I title name is nav bar and we need a header. First of all, we try to link the CSS file in my HTML file style.css. Now font awesome is a very helpful font API. I using this CDN link from here, copy and also copy it, then I can use this here. Okay friends, we need a header and nav ul lia. I copy this 5 times. Okay, also listed, and we need a home button or home icon. I going to font awesome website and I take this icon from this website house and copy it from here and paste our first link. Then we can try to home, also show, and product. I add some menu item, courses and about with contact. Style.css, margin 0, padding also 0, box size in border box, font family sans serif. This is looking nice. Header and nav display will be flex. Okay, we try to add my logo, dot logo, and h2 with dk. This is my custom logo example. So we try to give a button, login and login button. Okay, we try to take a icon, user icon also. Okay, and I try to give this btn and space, also show. We try to alignment nav all item, align item center, justify content, space between. This is also space between, and this need some padding, max width and margin auto. This will be automatic space alignment. Perfect. And nav ul will be display flex, gap 30px for some gap, and nav ul li will be list style type will be none. Okay, we need some padding of nav 20px by 0, up and down 20px, right and left 0, and nav ul lia text decoration is none. Okay, also remove font weight 600. nav dot logo, font size 25px, I take a pen for coloring my logo, color yellow. Now I try to design my btn, login btn, padding 10px by 30px. Okay, font size will be 17px and border will be none, background color red, and we try to remove this border will be none. Border radius I will be 50 px. Okay, we try to add a header background color. Background color is black. I will be some RGB color. Nice. Anchor color, nav link color will be white. Okay, nav ul li a hover. I want to some when user try to hover, this will be color change. Transition I will be add some transition. Okay, smoothly change the color. I'm going to HTML file and give a class, take a class active. This active class for niche home, the default color is yellow. Okay, nice. And we will try to some design our responsive media query. Logo color is white. Nav button hover. Background color will be yellow and this color will be black. Okay, also working. Some transition adding 0.5s is okay, working. Nice. Now I need menu button, menu bar, and this menu bar header inside I will be create a class menu and dot menu display none. At the rate I take a I also take a media query, media only screen and minimum width 768 px. Header nav ul nav ul display will be block. Position absolute, top 0 and left 0. Background color will be RGB black. Okay, background color also work fine with 300 px, height 300 px. Nav ul li, margin bottom 20 px, some space, and I will try give this display is will be flex. Okay, because we try to flex direction is column. This is nice, viewing nice, and alignment center, padding some padding up and down 30 px, right and left 0. Okay, height 400 px is very nice looking, and left minus 300 px default height, and when we are toggle this will be collapse and show. We don't need the login btn. I try to remove this login btn. So now we need close btn, close icon from font awesome. You can add this ul in ul section, close item also showing, and we try to alignment this nav dot close, position is absolute, top will be 20 px, right will be 30 px. Okay, this font size will be 20 px, 25 px is the best, and color will be white. Okay, like this video and subscribe. Nav button display none with 768px. Nav.menu display block but not working. Why? Oh, this button in header section we try to give header.menu position absolute but not working. Why? Because this dot menu in this dot menu class in header section under. Okay, header now also working. Position absolute, top 20px and right 30px. This also alignment fine. Font size will be 30px, color will be white. This is very nice. Now we try to scripting language, JavaScript, vanilla JavaScript. Let menu button equal to document dot get element by id button, and I add this id in my menu button, menu icon. Okay, we need a class ul section, and let ul equal to document dot query selector dot ul. Left 0. Okay, this is also showing and class working. I remove this and I will take this another way. Menu button dot at event listener, click anonymous function. We don't need any parameter. ul dot classic add dot show. Not working. Why? Because this button also not working. We try to find this dot show and not working. Show not working. Some problem with the ul. We have a class ul. This ul will be find this element in JavaScript. Dot ul dot show. Okay, now fine, working fine, you can see. And let close document dot query selector dot close, and when user try to close button, the nav bar will be closed automatically. Close dot at event listener, click anonymous function. Just try, that's working fine. ul dot classlead dot will be remove show.